Hey there guys, and welcome to the very first lesson in the animal solving series. My name is Dr. Fusion, and I'm here to hopefully be a great help to you. Today, I'll be going over whole numbers and how you'll be reading and writing numerals. It doesn't sound as hard as you think, guys. It's actually quite simple. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the chalkboard. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth are called whole numbers. And then numbers that start off with the 1 are usually used in counting, are called counting or natural numbers. Reading and writing numerals is pretty much how you hear it, read it, and when writing, placing both the commas and periods in the correct space. So why don't we step outside for a minute and let me show you an example. Shaking trees will drop branches for me. I'm simply going to see how many branches I could get from shaking this tree. 8. I just got 8 branches from this one tree. Now, there's also some trees that just drop fruit. And I see up there on top that there's 3 fruit. So we're going to shake this tree. And now 3 fruit have dropped. 1, 2, and 3. So here on the chalkboard, I've made a chart to indicate the placement of a number and how you'll read it and write it. So pretty much, for example, at the bottom, we can read this number as 999,999,999,999,999. And pretty much after every third number, you would place the comma to just indicate where you are within the placement of the number itself. The first number, we can read this as 345. For the second number, we can read this as 2,345, or if I take off the comma, I can now read this as 2,345. And then the last number, 12,345. Hey Tom, hey Isabel. I'm just going to show these guys a quick example here. So here we have a pretty huge number with some commas being used to indicate the value of this number. And pretty much how you see it is how you'll read it and write it. Okay guys, that's it for today. I want to thank you all again for joining me in the first animal solving lesson out of the many more to come. I'll be leaving a link in the description below to a downloadable PDF with a few questions and answers for you guys to try out. And if you liked what was taught today, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more future animal solving videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again guys for joining me, and I'll see you next week.